So hi guys, today I would like to show you budget helmet what I just now received. So I'm excited what is inside. Let's check. Just for your info, the price for this helmet was awesome because it cost just 60 euro. 60 euro for full face helmet, certificated full face helmet. So it's really something unique, I would say. Okay, there is also documents for the potential claim. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I ordered orange color. Okay, so there is some bag inside. There is a card, safety instruction, okay, multiple languages, great. So, something like a bag, it's very nice, like it. Oh. Huh. Yeah, so at first check the bag. Nice bag. Okay. Can use it separately. And now helmet comes. Whoa. Ha! Check it. Check it. That's awesome. Wow. Okay, so you can see certification ECR 22.05. I ordered size L. Normally I have my head is around 59, 58 when I compare this with bicycle helmet, so I ordered 59.60. okay, and this is the weight. Weight is bigger than was on the website, probably because the weight is for the smaller side. So this is 1 kilo and 420 grams plus minus 50. I will measure it. Good. So it's a little bit surprised that the weight is a little bit bigger, but okay, there is a fixation, this one. And what I'm interesting is this label. Yeah, exactly. And also here is a label inside, but on the inside label is just safety text and type, but here should be, okay, here is the label. This is the label which is requiring the certification E1. E1 means that this helmet was certified in Germany. That's good. Okay, it doesn't matter which country in European Union certified the product, because all should have the exact same fulfill same requirements. But what is interesting here is this P. P means that this chain guard here is certified. And when you can see, it's really robust. It's really robust. It's not like a mountain bike helmet, what you cheap mountain bike helmet, which you can easy deform. This is really stiff. So for 60 euro, you have certified helmet, include certified chest chain guard. Yeah, that's really great. But it's a budget option. Why? Because of the weight. But anyway, for this money, yeah, you can see this is possible to remove. and clean. So that's great. That's great. I will not do that now. So I would say looks really nice for the money. Really nice. There is no scratch, nothing. Okay. Here the shield which you can position probably. Yeah. Good. When you compare this with downhill bike helmet, not every downhill bike helmet have certified chest guard. I mean, you must buy something more expensive than 4,500 Czech crowns. It's around, I don't know, 150 euro or more to have certified this guard. Yeah, because normally it's just the, because European, especially the European standard for the bike and skateboards is saying just about this half of the helmet. It's not saying nothing about this guard for your face. Just the American standard have these requirements. I mean, it's a STM or something like that. I will put it to the description below, you can check it. So therefore it's for me really surprised that this helmet have certified face guard. Really great. Okay, I will show you on my head.